Hi, I'm Harshitha. I'm from Bangalore. I'm studying Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning in Samram Institute of Technology through Sunstone. The best part of our campus is it's very greenery and we will feel very cherished when we see our environment in our campus. It's good. The college life was too good compared to my PU. I am enjoying my degree college because we are enjoying a lot of fun and we used to participate in some of our activities. I'm enjoying. My favorite subject is Introduction to Python Programming because we will learn the programs and there will be a coding and we used to get to know about the language of a Python. Sunstone faculty are too humble to all the students. They'll treat as their own children and they are very humble. They'll support us a lot. They'll help in our communication. They will guide us. They will motivate us. They'll help more. College life at Sunstone was too amazing. We were enjoying it a lot in college as well as at Sunstone. In college, we used to go for classes. In Sunstone, we used to go for training and development classes, giving a knowledge more than academics, where we want to be. Students should choose Sunstone because in Sunstone they are giving education as well as an extracurricular activities for your placements, and they are giving all the things, or providing all the things which is required for your placement and your upcoming jobs, and they are giving a 100% placement